to my channel, Becca Beach. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy slime recipe. It's so fast that I was like, I can do that anytime. First, I'm going to take some liquid starch. This is Stay Flow. This is just 3 ingredients, by the way, and it's fluffy slime, so I'm really excited about that. I'm just gonna put about that much. Ooh, I used the whole rest of it, okay. So I have, this is probably about 1 cup worth of liquid starch that I'm gonna put in. And I also have, this huge gallon of Elmer's glue, and I'm gonna use about the exact same amount, just about a cup. Okay. So, Elmer's glue, liquid starch, and shaving foam. So just 3 ingredients. It's really simple and very inexpensive. And I think you can make a ton. If you got a whole thing of this, you would have so much slime. So anyways, maybe if you guys want to see me make that much slime, tell me in the comments below if I should make a whole gallon's worth of fluffy slime. So, with the shaving foam, I'm just gonna add as much as I want because the more I add, the more fluffy it's gonna be. Shaving cream, and it smells very nice too. And it expands, how cool is that? If you want to see me make fluffy slime again, but on the Becca and Ryan show, go check that out. That's my channel that I have with my brother, and it's really fun. So next, I'm gonna add my Elmer's glue into this shaving cream. Shaving cream is fun. Here's Elmer's glue, ready? Elmer's glue, maybe a little over a cup. Just mix it together, and it doesn't even have to be mixed all the way. An optional ingredient that you don't have to make this slime is food coloring. I'm gonna add that in right now and mix it in with my butter knife. Are turning green. Smells good. Pistachio. It's exciting. It needs more though. Okay, ready? My absolute favorite part now. I'm going to pour in the liquid starch. And the liquid starch is the activator, and it makes the whole thing turn to slime. And this time it's fluffy, so let's do it! My favorite part. This is when it starts to turn to slime. And just mix it in as quick as you can. Ooh, it's starting to work. Oh, it's so fun. I love this texture. Oh, this is so cool. It really is. I would say the only thing that you would need to watch out for is make sure that you actually continue. If it's not like turning out, you think it's like not working, keep kneading it. Fluffy slime making with only 3 ingredients. It's so easy. Make sure to try it out. And if you do, tell me in the comments below. And we will see you guys next time.